For those of you that like farmers markets, you'll be thrilled to know that Willie's Roadside Farmers Market at Boone Plantation is up and running. This is a farm stand on steroids. You're sure to be impressed by the variety of fruits and vegetables straight from the farm, ready to be brought home for you and your families to enjoy. Not only does this farm stand offer fresh fruits and vegetables, but also a variety of dressings, jams, sauces, and more. It's named after Willie McRae, owner of Boone Hall, who passed away in 2020. If you have a green thumb, then check out Miss Elizabeth's Flower Shop, named after Willie's sister. Did you know that the McRae family entered Boone Hall Plantation into a conservation easement agreement with the Low Country Land Trust? These 738 acres will be protected to ensure that they will be enjoyed by future generations. Stop by anytime Monday through Saturday from 10 to 5 and you'll be glad you did.